Hey guys, welcome back. Do you want super smooth Twixtor for your edits? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a clean and smooth Twixtor effect inside After Effects. So first, make sure your composition frame rate is set to 60 frames per second. Now import your clips and turn on motion blur and frame blending for better smoothness. Once that's done, select your clips and pre-compose them. After pre-composing, select your clip, go to Effects and Presets, and search for Twixtor Pro, then apply it. Now go to the effect settings. First, check the original FPS of your clip and enter the same value inside Twixtor. For image prep, select Contrast/Edge Enhance, and for frame interpolation, choose Motion Weighted Blend. Now let's create the smooth slow motion effect. Go to the start of the clip and add a keyframe for speed at 100. Move to the middle of the clip and change the value to 30. Then go to the end and set it back to 100. Select all your keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Now open the graph editor, switch to the value graph, and adjust the curve to make the slow motion smooth. You can follow my graph on screen. If you have a good GPU, go to the settings and enable Use GPU. This will help you with faster and smoother rendering. Once you're done, copy the Twixtor effect from the first clip and paste it onto the rest of your clips. Hold Alt and drag the keyframes to adjust the timing according to each clip. And that's it. Your smooth Twixtor slow motion is ready. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.